Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the basic settings for the RouterCAM plugin. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. So now we've already covered the basic of what the program's about. Now let's look at some basic settings. So first of all, we want to open the program or the plugin. So in order to do that, we want to go to our tool menu on top. On our main menu, we got tools, and then at the bottom you will see RouterCAM and the version it is. Mine is 3.3.9. So if we click this, it will open up your RouterCAM here on the right. If by any reason you are designing, you went, let's say, to your layers or object manager, then you can always just go here on the right, select RouterCAM again, and it will open your plugin. Now, on the main screen here, we've got three different panels we can choose from. So we've got workspace or toolpaths and into program. We'll go over those some more. There's more menus within these menus, you can say. But for now, what we want to do is we want to look at the settings button here. So that little icon on top, we have to click that, it will open our settings. Now under the settings, we've got a few things we can choose from. We've got 4 tabs here on the top, and then we also have under each tab we've got different settings. So under the first one, general, you can choose your language. So if you want to work in another language, this is where you'll set it, and also your units you can set over here. So you can see we've got your inches and millimeters depending on where you are located. Then we've got the color scheme, so you can actually change kind of the theme of it. Once you click save, it'll update your actual one as well. I'm just going to leave mine on the steel. Then we've got dark mode. So let's say you're running a newer version of CorelDraw and your theme is dark. You can always enable this, and then your whole plugin, once you click save, will also become dark mode. It's normally my preference to work in this because it's a bit easier on the eyes and over a long time. Then under that, we've got the measuring grid and the curve objects. Then next tab, we've got post processor. This is basically your profiles, which you'll be selecting here on the right. So you can set up custom profiles. You can see we can have a few here. And then if you want to change the current profile, you can just go here to edit and set up the settings. But in my case, I would say leave this unless you actually know what you're doing. The last thing you want to do is mess up your plugin and then having to reinstall and so forth. Then it also tells you where the plugin is located. So if you want to back it up or so forth. Now, like I say, in my personal opinion, I just use the default. I don't know enough about how to set up the actual profiles to change that. Then we've got the NC output. So this is, as we can see here, job output directory. You can obviously change it by clicking on these little dots. Got your job file name we can change, and also the machine setup directory, and then the machine setup file name, and then info. You can get stuff about your license and so forth, but I don't want to go there because my serial number will be displayed. So if you want to see what version you are and stuff like that, or activate your program, that's where we go, but we did that in another video. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the basic. If you have set anything you want to change it, make sure you click save. Otherwise I'm just going to click cancel. And then yeah, in the next video we'll maybe go over a quick overview of the user interface, and then we'll head on to some features. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.